about me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Hey guys, I'm so excited to have you here today because I'm finally tackling my vanity. I'm so excited to get it organized and be able to find everything in its place, and it looks pretty, and it just gives me the peace of mind that organization gives to everyone. So if you're new to this channel, my name is Mila. I like to do blogs. I'm a vlogger. I do interior decorating that looks high end at a lower cost. So if you're looking for that, you've stopped by the right channel. I hope not to disappoint you. But it's been a little bit overwhelming. We're in the process of selling our house. So every time I start something, we're constantly getting interrupted. And it's just been chaotic with the open houses and everything. But today is a perfect day. We're not going to get interrupted. My husband's here to, be my cameraman and help me out here and help me get rid of some of the clutter I have in my vanity, because you girls and guys are just like where that's one thing we can all relate to each other, is that sometimes we let things go, let things pile up, and stuff that we don't use is in the back of the drawer, and we never use it because we don't see it. And I'm exactly like that. I have so much stuff, and I'm not a big makeup girl. It's more like a combination of everything. I have hair products, nail products, makeup. I have, skincare stuff. So it's just relieving that I'm getting to this. And since we're moving, it's just going to help speed up the process, because everything that's currently going to stay in my vanity is going to be transferred over to our new home as well. So I can just pack it up, and I know that it's something that I don't need to worry about. So I'm so excited and so happy to be finally showing my disgusting ass vanity with you. I've seen some pretty bad vanities out there, so don't act like your shit don't be, like being a disaster like mine, because we all go through it. I know we do. And that's okay, as long as we take the steps to reorganize. That's what's important, right? Of course, before we get started, if you're not a part of the channel of the How to Win Illusions crew, I would like for you to hit that subscribe button and join the club. I only bring out content that people want to see, hopefully. And I'm happy to do any suggestions. So if you have a suggestion of a video that you would like me to do, you can go ahead and pin that in the comment section below. And everything I use today, I will put in the description. For example, like this Lazy Susan I have here. Look at this. I'm going to be using this for my lotions and my hair products. And hopefully this will be a little better organization for me, because it's like if you touch one thing on my shelves, like everything falls down if you do it the wrong way, and it's just so annoying, and I'm just so over it. And then from Amazon, I also got these clear organizers, and they come in different sizes. I already have a few in my vanity, but I was trying to fit some more, so that's why I got so many different sizes. It was a really good deal. I'm really happy with it, and I can't wait to incorporate all of it into my vanity. I don't think my vanity is gonna look this neat, but let's cross our fingers and see what we're gonna be able to accomplish today. So if you guys are also doing some organization in your home or in your bedroom, wardrobe, or vanity, share your video with me. My handle is @withmillusions, and I have an Instagram, I have a Facebook. You can tag me so I can see your work and give you some praises and pats on the back for getting organized, because for me, in the beginning of the year, that's what it's all about. It's a traditional thing for me. I do it seasonally, and then the big organization happens in the beginning of the year, because I'm just trying to figure out what I want and need and expect for the new year. So if you're in the same journey with me, let's do it together. So I gotta start tackling this shit now, so stay tuned. Okay, guys, this is my vanity. I started to take down some stuff because I have a new jewelry organizer, which is really working out well for me. I haven't situated everything yet, but at least I know where to put my jewelry at. And I have the basic from IKEA. Oh my god, this is my first drawer. It's just jam-packed with so much. So much shit. That's where I keep my hairs. Just not the best organization, I will admit. But this is pretty much what I'm dealing with now on a daily. I hang my purses there on the side, have my medications. Let's see how we tackle and how beautiful we can make this vanity once again.
You don't mean nothing to me. E-boys like you every dinner. I don't believe what you preach. You're just a rookie beginner. Hang out with boys in the street. Like that will make you a winner. I don't believe what I see. Why you wearing gold? You're nothing more than silverware. Thinking you're so bold, but all you are is unaware. Walk around like everything belongs to you. Talk to me like I'm the young stupid fool. Take off all your gold. You're nothing more than silverware. Why you calling me honey? Why you show off your money? Wave it like it's a tissue. Baby, this is your issue. I'm not falling for bullshit. If you like me, then say it. You don't get that I see through this facade that surrounds you. Growing up takes time, so don't you waste mine. You and me ain't right. Why you wearing gold? You're nothing more than silverware. Thinking you're so bold, but all you are is unaware. Walk around like everything belongs to you. Talk to me like I'm the young stupid fool. Take off all your gold. You're nothing more than silverware. I'm over you, so done with you. I'm over you, so done with you. Why you wearing gold? You're nothing more than silverware. Thinking you're so bold, but all you are is unaware. Walk around like everything belongs to you. Talk to me like I'm the young stupid fool. Take off all your gold. You're nothing more than silverware.
Look at my shelf, so nice and clean. I have all my nail powders and nail polishes here, and I have all my hair products in this turntable here, so it worked out perfectly. So a place for everything. So guys, I'm so excited to show you the finished outcome. I know I have a couple of weird things, but these are my likings. And I'm a die-hard fan of. So you see here, I put all my perfumes together. Before I used to have my finishing sprays with my perfumes, and then it was just too much of a clutter. So I love the way that looks. In this drawer here, I put all of my feet care, pedicure, lotion, scrubs, everything to have to do with my feet. And then I took all these little jewelry holders that I had, I've been collecting through time, and just put my rings, some loose odd ends, some more nose piercings in here. That one has some nose piercings too. I use this tray every day for putting my makeup on top of. This section here, it has all my lotions and facial lotions, so this has to do with my face and body. Then on here, I'm sorry, the camera's just streaking so much. I have my outfit. He's always on my side. My hair brushes, my makeup brushes, all my lipsticks and finishing sprays are here in this section, and lip liners. And I like to shave when I do my eyebrows. And this drawer here, look at the difference, guys. I'm so proud of myself. I got to fit all the containers in there. So I've seen so many people say that they couldn't fit it because it was like an inch too small. Well, I forced that sucker in and it fit perfectly. So I am happy, so very happy that I got all of it to fit. And so look at how organized I have my eye palettes. I have some more brushes over here, mascara. I have everything to do with my foundation and concealers here. I even have my Freddie Mercury mirror when I'm doing my lipstick and eyes. And the second drawer, I got to put some more stuff, but look at how neat it looks. Everything has a place, guys. I'm so happy. I put some more of my palettes here. These trays are everything. And in this drawer, I have some of my candy lips, but it's mainly my hair drawer. So I have all my different wand sizes. I have my professional scissors there to cut my hair, bobby pins, you know, those type of things. And I even have a whole drawer of medication. And I put the turntable in here so I can turn it to find what I'm looking for when I need it. And then this is just a junk drawer, so I put my iPad keyboard in there. Nothing special, but guys, it's like so clean, so organized. I am loving it. Tell me what you guys think. Like I said, I'm going to be changing the top when I move, so it won't have that marble contact paper because I ruined the top of this. But they're so cheap that I'd rather just get a new tabletop, and I'll keep it just the way it is.